never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Today we are going to make cookies and
This is the ingredients:
220 grams of margarine, 120 grams of powdered sugar, 2 egg yolks,
300 grams of flour, 2 sachets of chocolates, strawberry jam, chocolate spread, and this is how to make it.
First, into 120 grams of margarine and 100 grams of powdered sugar, then stir until smooth. Secondly, and 2 egg yolks and stir again. Stir. Add 300 grams of wheat flour. Stir it until smooth.
separate the dough into two and mix one of them with chocolate sauce.
Now we just need to save it, roll and flatten it. Then save it in the hot. Add jam as a sweetener.
Finally, bake at 100 degrees for 5-10 minutes.
cookies are ready to be enjoyed.